Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add CSS in your HTML. There are three ways to add CSS in your HTML. First, inline CSS, second, internal CSS, and the third one is mostly used and reliable, that is external CSS. Let's talk about inline CSS. Inline CSS that you won't use in HTML. Example, first let's create our index.html. Make our HTML code, and in body I will make a h1 tag. In inline CSS, style and hello world. Let's save our HTML and check hello world. It means our CSS is working properly. After that, we use internal CSS. Here in the internal CSS, you can use style tag anywhere in HTML. After body tag, we are making style. In style, we have to make h1 class. Give class to h1. I'm giving class to h1 heading. Sorry, heading. In CSS, we use class with dot he heading. I'm giving color blue. Let's check in our HTML. Is our CSS is working properly? So the third one is external CSS. External CSS is most common and right way to use CSS in HTML. First, we have to make CSS file in the folder where our HTML file is already located. Example, let's make another file, index.css. Remove this style tag, and in our head let's make a link. Example, then after type dot forward slash and CS source. Example, forward slash, our CSS is showing now, and we are already give h1 a class heading. So in our CSS page dot heading, let's give another color. This time I will give it brown. Let's check in our browser what happens and refresh it. Its color will change. External CSS is completed. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel.